Hey friends, just here to go over some of the things that we would be going over in class if I saw you before our first meeting on Wednesday. And I'll be sure to post a note to make sure you watch this video. So if you've already been in class, you can skip this for now, okay? I want to talk to you first about what to do once you get to Google Classroom. So hopefully you've already joined Google Classroom. If not, please open your email or just go to your Google Classroom homepage, and you should just see a little link where you can click to join. And then once you've joined Classroom, this is what you're going to see. So the first page it takes you to is our stream. And this is just an example. This may not be your class, but right under our class period, it'll tell you when we meet every Wednesday. So for example, period 5, no matter what your period 5 is, you guys will be meeting on Wednesdays from 10:45 to 11:15. Wednesdays are the only day that you're expected to show up to a video chat. You don't have to attend an in-person class if you're learning remotely other than that day. Okay, so you show up on the days that your cohort is supposed to show up. And if you're learning all remotely, you'll get a video like this one every week with our live lesson content, so you won't miss out on anything. When you're looking for what you should be doing each week, you're gonna go to the classwork page. Everything will be organized by topic. And right now there's only 3 things in Classroom. So the first thing is your attendance form. You're gonna do this every day. So Monday through Friday, even on Wednesdays when we have our Google Meet, even on the days that you come into class, you should be filling out this attendance form anytime before 2 p.m. and it'll count as your attendance for the day. Now, if you do forget to do that and you remember at say 4 o'clock or the next day to go back and do your attendance, you will be marked absent temporarily, and then once the work is done, we can put in that you were not in class, but you did do the work, and that will have its own code. So you won't get penalized for the day as long as you do make up the work. Your only assignment right now is our icebreaker. It does have 2 different parts. And so you have your hydro flask decorating, and then please make a Flipgrid where you introduce yourself to the class. That way everyone can get to know each other before our first meeting. And that is due anytime by Tuesday at 2. And then we also have in here some expectations for the class. So obviously make sure you've joined Google Classroom. All of the regular English department policies still apply. So that has to do with things like not copying each other's work, doing your best, you know, showing up, doing the work on time, easy stuff. And my expectations are sort of broken down into what you need to do each day and what you need to make sure to do each week. So every day you need to complete the attendance form. And if you're not in class, if you're learning remotely, or what they call your asynchronous assignments, you should spend some time working on those. So your homework, essentially, your remote learning work, will be broken up into 3 different days and about 1 hour of work total. So you shouldn't have to spend more than, say, 20 minutes to half an hour each day working on this. Usually they'll be due by Tuesday or by a certain time, and it really doesn't matter if you do it all at once or bit by bit, as long as the work is turned in on time. If you are coming into class, the only thing you need to worry about bringing is your Chromebook. Make sure it's charged, make sure it's here, and then work hard and be nice to each other. At this time, you don't even need to bring a pen or a pencil. If you are a worksheet person, if you prefer things to be on paper, please shoot me an email and let me know, and we can see about getting copies of things out to you, but handing out and collecting stuff has gotten awfully complicated with social distancing. If you ever have any questions, please email me. I know I have my extension there, but voicemails get lost in the email. So just shoot me an email, and I will be setting up a class remind soon. Every week, there are 2 things you need to do. So you need to attend our Wednesday video meetings. In our class, we'll be using Google Meet so that you can just click that link on Google Classroom to meet with us. If we have some issues, we might transfer to Zoom, but I think it'll be okay. And you also need to check out our weekly overview every week to see what we'll be doing in class. So since this week is sort of a short week, there were only 2 days, I didn't worry about posting a weekly overview, but once I start posting them, this is what they're going to look like. So you've got the dates for the week up at the top. So this one is like next week's for one of my classes. So it goes from Thursday the 10th to Wednesday the 16th. Wednesdays are going to be like our new Friday. and it shows you what we're going to be doing in person. There will be links for videos if you are not an in-person student. Your independent work are your R days, your remote days. So like next week, you'll be working on your your summer reading essay, and that'll be about a 40-minute assignment. You can use a little bit more, a little bit less time if you need to. And then you're also going to have a short independent reading with a response. So there will be links to the actual assignments, the worksheets you'll be doing on this page. You will not be able to edit the ones you click from this page. There'll be like an example to show your parents, to show, my boss what we're up to. If you go to Google Classroom, all of this will be there as well. So any assignments that we're posting, they'll be described here, but actually listed in Classroom. So if you're just looking at Classroom, looking at those due dates, you should be okay. But this gives you an idea of how you might break that down. And then every week is going to end in our Google Meet. So for example, we're going to do a little bit of reading. We're going to finish summer reading. And then we're going to talk about our novel, no matter what it is, on our second Google Meet on the 16th. Sorry for my awkward silence. I'm trying to fix this. All right, so thanks for watching my first awkward video. Hopefully I get better at this as the year goes on. Let me know if you have any questions. Send me an email. If you need to pick up your materials, you can do that at any time in the auxiliary gym. If you're not going to be able to get to school at all to pick up your book, it's just our novel, let me know and I'll find a way to get it to you. Okay, hope you guys are safe. Hope you're healthy. Hope you're having a good day and enjoy your long weekend. I'll see some of you on Tuesday.